In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header and footer from a specific page in Shopify. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to create a unique look for certain pages, like a landing page, where you might want a distinct design that excludes the usual header and footer. We're going to do this by editing the theme code directly, specifically a file called theme.liquid. This file controls the overall structure of your theme, including where the header and footer appear. To start, you'll want to access the theme code. Log into your Shopify admin and navigate over to the Online Store section in the left sidebar. Once there, click on Themes. You'll then want to find your current theme, and next to it, you'll see a button labeled Actions. Click this and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Edit Code. This will open up the code editor. Now, in the code editor, you'll want to locate the theme.liquid file. You can find this file listed under the Layout directory on the left-hand side of the editor. When you open this file, you'll notice it's filled with various lines of code. Don't worry, we're here for just a couple of them. Your task is to locate the lines that include the header and footer sections. These lines typically look like /% section header %, and /% section footer %. Once you've found those lines, the next step is to wrap them with a liquid condition. This condition will tell Shopify when to display the header and footer and when not to. For example, if you want to remove the header and footer from a page with the handle landing page, you'd use the following code snippet: liquid /% unless template, name page landing page, % section header, % section footer, and done list %. This little snippet of code will ensure that the header and footer are displayed on all pages except the specified one. Once you've added this condition, remember to hit Save to apply your changes. Let's talk through why this works. The template. Name variable identifies the current page's template, while page.landingpage is the specific page template you're targeting. It's important to replace page landing page with your actual page's handle. A couple of important considerations to keep in mind. If you have multiple pages or templates you want to exclude, you can easily add more conditions using the OR operator. Simply extend the conditional as needed. Another key point to remember is that theme updates might overwrite your custom code changes. To protect your hard work, consider backing up your theme files or using a child theme to preserve the modifications. And there you have it, a concise way to control where headers and footers appear on your Shopify site. By following these steps, you're able to create more unique, focused designs for specific pages. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!